Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. After your orchids have finished blooming, they will enter a resting stage. This is when the plant focuses on storing energy to prepare for the next growth and flowering cycle. Today I will take advantage of ingredients available in the kitchen to help the plant recover quickly, grow strong, and accumulate enough energy to bloom again in the next cycle. With just a few simple care steps, if done correctly, your orchids will soon start growing again and produce beautiful new flower spikes. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you won't miss useful orchid care tips in upcoming videos. Let's get started. To make a fertilizer that helps orchids recover after they finish blooming, today I will use eggshells. Eggshells contain a lot of calcium and natural minerals that help strengthen the plant, support root development, and help the plant recover faster after the flowering period. Before using them, I will wash the eggshells clean and let them dry, then crush them into small pieces. Crushing them into small pieces helps the minerals in the eggshells dissolve more easily and allows the plant to absorb them better when used for orchids. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. The next ingredient I use is rice. Rice contains many B vitamins, starch, and some natural minerals that are very beneficial for plant growth. It helps provide energy and supports the recovery process of orchids after blooming. I will add about 3 spoons of rice together with the crushed eggshells. Then add about 500 milliliters of warm water. Stir well so the nutrients begin dissolving into the water, then close the lid and let it soak for about 3 hours so the nutrients can be extracted more effectively. One important note before caring for orchids with liquid fertilizer is that I usually rinse the plant first with a little clean water. When doing this rinse, the growing medium and orchid roots will be moistened beforehand, helping prevent the roots from being shocked when they come into direct contact with the nutrient solution. At the same time, this also helps the orchid roots absorb nutrients better and more evenly, preventing the roots from drying out or being damaged by a solution that is too concentrated. I will soak these orchids in water for about 10 minutes so the plants absorb enough moisture, helping the roots become softer and function better. When the roots are pre-moistened, the plant will absorb nutrients more effectively and avoid shock when fertilized. After 10 minutes, I will take the plant out and let the water drain off. At this point, the plant has absorbed enough moisture and the roots are ready to receive the nutrient solution. When the roots are pre-moistened like this, the orchid will absorb fertilizer more effectively and avoid shock or root damage, helping the plant recover faster and grow healthier. After 3 hours, when the solution has soaked long enough, I will filter out all the residue and keep only the nutrient water. At this time, the minerals from the eggshells and nutrients from the rice have been extracted into the water. To ensure the solution has a suitable concentration and is safe for orchids, I will dilute it with about 1.5 liters of clean water. Diluting the solution allows the plant to absorb nutrients gently and effectively while avoiding damage to the orchid roots. Once we have this homemade nutrient solution, I will show you several ways to help orchids recover. Method 1. Pour the solution into a small cup, then dip a soft cotton pad into it and gently wipe the entire surface of the orchid leaves, both the top and the underside. When wiping, you should gently clean each leaf and avoid rubbing too hard to prevent scratching the leaf surface. This solution contains calcium from eggshells, which helps strengthen leaf tissues and supports healthier plant growth. In addition, vitamins and natural nutrients from rice help improve metabolism and support better photosynthesis in the leaves. Wiping the leaves not only provides a small amount of nutrients through the leaf surface, but also removes dust, mold, and residue on the leaves, helping them become cleaner, greener, and shinier while absorbing light more effectively. When the leaves are healthy and photosynthesize efficiently, the orchid can store more energy to recover after the flowers fade and prepare for the next blooming cycle. Method 2. Pour the solution into a spray bottle, then mist it lightly and evenly over the entire orchid plant, including the leaves, stems, and the area around the base. When spraying, you should allow the solution to form a thin mist so the nutrients can spread evenly across the leaf surface and be absorbed better by the plant. This solution contains calcium from eggshells, which helps strengthen plant tissues and support root development. In addition, vitamins and natural nutrients from rice help increase the plant's vitality, support photosynthesis, and help the leaves grow greener and healthier. Spraying the solution in a fine mist also slightly increases humidity for the orchids, which is especially helpful in indoor growing environments. When nutrients are supplied properly, orchids will recover faster after flowering and accumulate enough energy to produce new flower spikes in the future. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a watering can, then gently water it directly at the base of the orchid plant, so the solution slowly soaks into the growing medium and provides nutrients to the root system. The minerals from eggshells, especially calcium, help strengthen the roots and stems, supporting orchids in recovering faster after flowering. Meanwhile, the nutrients and vitamins from rice provide a natural energy source that helps improve metabolism and promote healthier growth. When the root system absorbs sufficient nutrients, the orchid will develop new leaves and stronger new roots, allowing it to accumulate enough energy to form new flower spikes in the next flowering cycle. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 4. In addition to using eggshells to make liquid fertilizer, you can also crush eggshells and sprinkle them around the base of orchid plants. This helps supply calcium and some natural minerals to the growing medium, strengthening the roots and helping the plant grow healthier. As the eggshells slowly decompose, the nutrients gradually seep into the growing medium and are naturally absorbed by the orchid roots. In addition, crushed eggshells can improve the aeration of the growing medium, creating a favorable environment for orchid root development and limiting the growth of certain harmful fungi. When nutrients are supplied properly, orchids can recover quickly after the flowers fade and soon produce strong new flower spikes. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Results: orchids that are properly cared for will grow healthier and more vibrant, with leaves becoming noticeably greener, shinier, and stronger. After some time, new roots begin to appear, growing long, strong, and firmly attaching to the growing medium. When the root system develops well, the plant has a strong nutritional foundation to continue growing. From the leaf axils, new flower spikes will begin to appear, gradually growing longer and developing strongly. On each flower spike, more flower buds will form evenly, signaling that a new blooming season is coming. Finally, the orchids will bloom again with vibrant and lively flowers, making your space more beautiful and full of color. Take care of your orchids with love and the right methods, and you will be rewarded with beautiful flower spikes. What do you think about this orchid care method? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you won't miss useful orchid care tips in the upcoming videos.